Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. Dekte dekte pujo chole elo. Today I'm going to create a gorgeous, glam, sexy diva Ashtami night look. Ashtami night is a special occasion during the festival and looking your best is a must. And the right kind of makeup can enhance your beauty and just elevate your festive spirit. From sultry eyes to radiant skin, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of Ashtami night makeup and create a stunning look together. Let's start. Today I'm here to share my secret for that perfect everyday natural glow. I start with the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. It gives 2 times more glow that lasts up to 12 hours. It blends seamlessly with my skin tone. It is enriched with vitamin C and turmeric. It's like skincare and makeup combined. Apply it on bare face after using moisturizer for that everyday natural glow. Now here's the secret sauce. The Mamaearth Glow Full Coverage Compact. This compact gives you up to 3 times instant glow and full coverage in just one swipe. This also shields your skin from UV rays. The foundation comes in 9 shades and the compact in 5 shades, suitable for all Indian skin tones. These are toxin-free and free from harmful chemicals and safe to use every day. With your every purchase on Mamaearth's website, Mamaearth plants a tree on your behalf. These are available online at Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart and in stores near you. Use code SUSH2023 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app only. Check the links in the description. So I already have my foundation on. Before my foundation, I applied my moisturizer and a primer. So you guys can use whatever moisturizer primer suits you. Make sure you apply a glowy primer. Now I'm going to apply a concealer and I'm just going to focus on my under eye area. It's okay if you don't want to use this much concealer. You can use, as much as you want. I prefer using a concealer which is a shade similar to my skin tone to hide my dark circles. Now I'm just going to blend it. My concealer is all blended. Now I'm going to set it. So to set my under eye area, I'm going to use a yellow loose powder. Make sure you take the loose powder and tap it at the back of your hand to lose the excess loose powder and then go ahead and set. But before applying the loose powder, make sure that you don't have any creases. Otherwise, you're also going to set the creases, which is not a good look. Next, I am going to set my eyebrows. Just make sure that your eyebrows look very natural. If you like the sculpted eyebrow look, then you can definitely go for it. But I always like my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. Next, we are going to move on with our eyes. So today I am going to do a glam look. It's going to be extremely easy and extremely simple. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily do that. So I am going to take this brown shade. It's a rusty brown shade and I am going to apply it all over my eyelids and just blend it with a fluffy brush and blend it nicely. I'm just using this one single color and I will apply it on my eyelid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same shade and apply this shade only in the crease area so that all over the eyelids I have a light wash of that color and in the crease area I have a little bit more pigment. And towards the outer corner, just try and feather it out a little bit. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm just going to apply it on my upper lash line, very, very close to the lashes. Just a very light wash of and just blend it slowly with the rest of the eye color. So there should be no harsh lines while you add the dark brown. With the same brush, I'm going to add the light brown shade on my lower lash line. And now we're also going to take the dark brown and just apply it lightly only on the lower lash line. So it's going to be like the light brown and then the dark brown on top. Use a black kohl pencil and apply it near the lash line. So first of all, we can tight line it. So just close your eyes, tight line. I know it looks scary, but I promise it is not. But be very, very careful when you do that. Next, we are going to apply it on the upper lash line. And you can smoke it out with the smudger that comes with the kohl pencil, or you can also use a brush. Today I'm going to use the smudger that comes with the kohl pencil and I'm just going to smudge it I'm not making a wing. The same thing goes for your lower lash line, so just smudge it. I'll do the left eye and I'll be right back. For the mascara, I would choose a waterproof mascara. If you have a long day and if you want to do some pandal hopping, then just go ahead and use a waterproof mascara. Start wiggling it from the bottom of the lashes till the roots. You can apply 2-3 coats of mascara if you want to, but I'm just going to apply 1 coat because I'm going to apply some false lashes just to give me that extra dramatic look. People who are habituated with applying false lashes, I know you cannot come back to normal lashes. It's the same with me, but on a regular basis I don't apply false lashes, but whenever it's a glam look that I have to create or some festival, I have to apply false lashes. It just adds that little extra something. Alright guys, false lashes on. Now I'll move on with the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go for some contour, so you can apply whatever contour you're comfortable with. This is the contour shade that I'll be using. Just applying some on the hollows of my cheekbones. Make sure there's no gap between your ear and your cheeks. Blend it really well. Jawline area. I already have a small forehead, so I'm not going to contour it. If you have a large forehead, then go ahead and contour. I'm going to use this blush shade, which is a very nudie brown and a little hint of pink in it. Eyes, you know, they're really loud today. So the rest of my face is very subtle. Apply some to the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose for that sun-kissed look. And then I'm going to use this highlighter, and you can just apply the highlighter as much as you want. It's Ashtami night, you can look like a disco ball, doesn't matter. On my nose, my cheekbones, and my brow bone area, and the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply a peachy lip liner. You can apply a peachy shade or a brown shade, whichever suits you more. And I'm just going to overline my cupid's bow just a little bit and then draw the rest. Next, I'm going to apply a peachy shade and then apply a muted brown shade just for a very good balance of peach and brown together. These two lip shades blend so well, it just looks so gorgeous. Last but not the least, we are going to spray our whole face with a makeup fixer. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.